Hi everyone, this is my presentation for Project1 CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. We can start showing the first page where I can log in or create a new user. So let's try to log in. If I type a wrong password, it shows me a message and brings me back to the first page where I can log in. But if I choose the right password with the right user, I go to the search page. I can search a book by author, for title, for ISBN. If that ISBN is not on the database, it will show me a 404 error message. But if I find the book and click on the ISBN, I will go to the reviews page. So when I came to this page, it brings me the data that I already have on the page before, and bring me also the API for Goodreads data, and if the book has any reviews to show me here. One of the requirements is that I cannot place two reviews for the same user with the same book. So I choose, instead of showing a message, so to replace it. So and I can give how many stars I think the book is. As you see, there was another review for this user, so I updated it. And if I search for this book again, the new review, it's okay on database. I also can log out of the system anytime. So let's try to create a new user now. So I created with success and show my username, and after that I came to the books page. I can create a review for a book too. I will show. There is another review for this book, or is from another user, so I can choose here. If I look for it again, my review is there. So that's it. This is the application. Thank you for watching the application. Oh, let's try to see a little bit about the code. I have a test.py that show me it's a test for connecting the application, the requirements, a readme, I import.py that imports the books data, I create tables.py that creates tables for the database. As templates, I have the index, the a layout that I use for all the other HTML pages, login, register, search, and some others. So that was my project one. Thank you for watching.